In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links to other projects within tasks. This can be a fantastic way to organize your work and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by navigating to and opening up a specific task. This is the foundational step because everything we're about to do takes place right within the task that you have in mind. So, go ahead and click on the task that you want to work with. Once you have the task open, you're going to focus your attention on the description area. This is where the magic happens and where you will create those handy links to other projects. Think of the description area as not just a place for text, but as a gateway to interconnect your projects seamlessly. Here's how you create those links. You'll start by typing the @ symbol, the @ This symbol is key because it tells the system that you're about to reference another project. After you've typed the @ symbol, begin typing the name of the project you want to link to. Be sure to spell the project name correctly and watch as a drop-down menu appears, listing potential matches. Taking advantage of this drop-down is incredibly helpful. You can select the correct project from the list that appears, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Simply click on the desired project to make your selection. Once you've chosen a project from the drop-down, just press Enter, and there you have it. A link to the other project is created right there in your task description. The convenience of this setup is that now, each time you or someone else working with you clicks on that link, you'll be instantly directed to the linked project. This makes it incredibly efficient to switch between different projects without having to manually search or navigate through menus. This feature is perfect for those who manage multiple projects simultaneously and need a way to keep everything interconnected and accessible. And just like that, you've successfully created a link to another project within your task description. It's a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your project management strategy. By using this method, you save time and boost your productivity, effortlessly connecting tasks to relevant projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these linking features, the easier it will become to integrate them into your everyday workflow. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring new ways to optimize your work processes.